Greetings, my friend. In this video, we're going to be looking at a handy little blade from Odenwolf. Stick around. Tell you what, we've had some hot weather here in Virginia as of late. I'm actually beating the heat a little bit this morning. I got my coffee going. I thought to myself, man, I'm going to get up and I'm going to get this review done on this Odenwolf blade called the W Picnic. You know, I love Odenwolf. I've had the opportunity to review several of their blades. I've reviewed their Wolf 1, their Sow Catcher, their W Catcher. Man, if you're just looking for blades that are practical and very attractive and really affordable, and oftentimes they'll use D2 steel for a lot of their bigger blades, you'll find all of that stuff at Odenwolf, and I just really dig their product line. And here's the Picnic. Just a simple little thin, pocketable folding knife with a nice serrated edge. The W Picnic is very light, very thin, and just very easy to carry around. Sometimes you just need a good serrated edge to work with, especially when you're working with food. I love homegrown tomatoes and cucumbers, and last night I had a little crave going on, and I got my Odenwolf W Picnic yesterday, and I thought to myself, this is gonna be the perfect time to break this out and slice this tomato and this cucumber. And I just pulled out the camera last night and started filming my snack time. So here's the W Picnic in action. First thing that I'm gonna do with my W Picnic here is slice open this homegrown tomato. You know, these serrated edges just make slicing like this so good. I'm gonna cut this bad boy up here and salt it up and enjoy it. Just a great knife for food prep. Whether you're here in the kitchen or out on the camp, just cuts right in. You know what's next, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me you love a good homegrown tomato. And tomatoes have got me wanting some cucumbers and vinegar now. That's what's next. We're gonna cut this cucumber up here with our W Picnic. We're gonna lay this thing in a bowl, slap some apple cider vinegar on top of it, a bunch of salt and pepper. Oh yeah. I think it's time for a little peanut butter banana boat now. You know, we're just gonna pop the cap on this thing here, bust this peel off here, pull out the Picnic and get the potty started. Just gonna cut me a little opening here in this banana. Place to slap my peanut butter. Look at there, that's ready for peanut butter. Go right here and do the same thing. All that good salty stuff, vinegar, and got me wanting something sweet now. We're living good, friends. Cheers. It was about 11 o'clock last night when I kind of got a little craving for something, and I said, you know what, this is going to be a good a time as any to break out the Picnic and slice up these tomatoes and cucumbers. And I love this for that particular type of task. But for me, this is just a food knife. You know, this is what I'll use my Picnic for. I want you to see how that folds up. I just want you to get another look at it. It's like I said, ultra light. Got a long cutting edge on it as well. And also too, something like this will cut right through rope or anything where a serrated edge tends to excel. All right, I think that brings us to a conclusion. I think you've seen the W Picnic, got a good look at it, seen it in action, and you know what it's capable of. As always, I'll drop a link in the description. Use that link and my discount code to get a little knocked off the price, and you get you a Picnic sent to you in the mail so you can get in the kitchen and start having a little fun like I was doing. Kitchen, camp, wherever you like to cut up food. I'm probably gonna put a steak on the grill this evening. I guarantee it. My wife's been talking about, she's been wanting a steak, so I'm probably gonna go get us some ribeyes, some fresh cut ribeyes, and slap them on the charcoal grill today, and I might just enjoy mine with my new Picnic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.